Top 5 Best Wireless HDMI Transmitters. Number 5. ScreenBeam Actiontec. If you want a small and sleek HDMI transmitter, the My Wireless TV 2 will cover you. It's small and compact but still looks like a modern device. You can connect your multimedia devices to this transmitter anywhere in your home and let your TV receive it. Its 150-foot range is more than enough for most homes, so you don't have to worry whether it will work or not. This transmitter's signal is also powerful enough to transmit 5.1 surround sound, allowing you to make the most of your entertainment system. And since this has a built-in IR receiver, you can use your existing remote control from the receiving unit and have the transmitter send it to your device. The easy plug-and-play setup of this transmitter will get you up and watching in a matter of minutes. For gamers or those who enjoy watching intense movies, there is very little latency using this wireless HDMI transmitter. The simple setup and HDMI pass-through make this a great option for any home. Pros: simple plug-and-play setup. With HDMI pass-through for dual TV output. Minimal lag through super low latency technology. Cons: no 5.1 surround sound pass-through on transmitter when the receiver is connected. Coming in number 4. HDTech Digital 1x2 Wireless. You need a more powerful HDMI transmitter to watch high-definition content if you have a large and sprawling home. The HDTech 1x2 wireless extender will give you that with its outstanding 200-foot range. It's so powerful that its range isn't affected by interior fittings, drywall, and furniture. These wireless HDMI transmitters can connect to 2 displays, one locally and one remotely. This makes it perfect for sharing or monitoring content. And because you can customize the wireless settings of these devices, you can run up to 4 sets simultaneously. You don't need to worry about interference at all. However, because of its power, this extender's external case isn't stylish. In fact, they're designed to be mounted on walls for a permanent installation. This is the perfect wireless transmitter for those who have a fixed entertainment and television system. Pros: transmits full HD video up to 60 Hz built-in HDMI pass-through on transmitter. One transmitter can connect to 2 receivers simultaneously. Cons: unstylish and square design. Coming in number 3. IOGEAR Wireless Digital Kit. The IOGEAR Wireless Digital Kit is great for sharing multimedia content. The transmitter has an HDMI pass-through, allowing you to connect your source directly to a primary display. The receiver can then receive the video signal so you could also watch it on a secondary TV. This is perfect if you want to mirror your living room television to the kitchen. The IOGEAR Wireless Digital Kit allows you to enjoy the movies and shows your family is watching while getting on with other tasks in the home. If you want to flip the channel, the included IR receiver will let you do that from where you're watching. You can also connect to sources to this wireless kit simultaneously. So if you want to switch your wireless video from your streaming box to your gaming console, you no longer have to unplug one device to attach the other. You can now do it with the press of a button. Although this wireless HDMI transmitter is a little bulky, it's incredibly powerful and efficient. Pros: included IR remote control. Ultra-low latency of less than 1 millisecond. Connects to 2 sources simultaneously. Cons: large transmitter and receiver not ideal for portability. Coming in number 2. Nyrius Aries Prime Wireless. 3D movies use up a lot more data and bandwidth than the standard full HD videos. So if you want to enjoy your 3D content wirelessly, the Nyrius Aries Prime is an option to consider. Nyrius specifically designed it for that application and more. This plug-and-play device can transmit uncompressed 1080 pixels video with 0 latency. That means you can see the content you play on it in real time. This makes it suitable for use with computers and even gaming. It also has a maximum line-of-sight range of 30 feet, making it ideal for most living rooms. Using a high-performance digital signal, it can send wireless video signals between rooms too, although at a reduced range. The receiver has a small form factor making it fit naturally in your entertainment room. The transmitter is also portable and plugs directly into any HDMI port. This lets you use it with just about any device. Pros: won't interfere with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Plug-and-play use straight from the box. Small and light transmitter for use with laptops and other portable devices. Cons: no remote control compatibility. Coming in number 1. JTech Digital Wireless. It can be challenging to build a clean entertainment setup. If you want to mount your 4K television on a wall and not have wires hanging, you must either use cord ties or build a cable channel into your wall. So instead of running wires on your wall and spoiling its look, you can instead use the JTech Digital Wireless HDMI extender. This transmitter lets you enjoy 4K quality video at 30 Hz on your display up to a distance of 100 feet. So even if you have a sprawling living room or your TV is in the kitchen, you can still enjoy watching. The small form factor of this device will allow you to mount and hide it behind your television easily. It also utilizes zero latency transmission technology, allowing you to plug your gaming consoles into it. You can now play games on your large television without needing to have cables strewn all over your living room wall. However, this wireless HDMI transmitter will not work through walls, so you will need to house it in the same space as your devices. Pros: supports Dolby Digital and DTS audio. Zero latency transmission. Compatible with HDMI 1.4 and below. Cons: does not transmit through walls.